What if your body's cycle could automatically trigger personalized reminders, guidance, and wellness insights every single day? Hello, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll show you a fully automated cycle wellness system that calculates personalized cycle phases, sends daily reminders, and delivers AI-powered weekly guidance, all managed through a structured, data-driven workflow. Step 1. Cycle Wellness Form Submission Trigger. This form trigger starts the workflow when a new user submits their cycle details. It captures a subscriber's personal and cycle information automatically. Step 2. Calculate personalized cycle dates. This code node calculates the key cycle milestones based on the user's last period date and cycle length. It generates the next period date, ovulation date, fertile window, and PMS start date. Step 3. Save subscriber profile to Google Sheets. This node appends the subscriber data into the subscriber sheet. It stores the user's name, email, cycle dates, and active status. Step 4. Build personalized welcome email. This code node creates a style HTML welcome email for the new subscriber. It includes their next period, ovulation day, fertile window, and PMS start date. Step 5. Send welcome email to subscriber. This Gmail node sends the welcome email to the subscriber's email address. It confirms successful sign-up and delivers the initial cycle overview instantly. Step 6. Daily 8 AM reminder trigger. This schedule trigger runs every day at 8 AM. It activates the daily reminder engine automatically without manual work. Step 7. Read all subscribers from Google Sheets. This node pulls all subscriber records from the subscriber's sheet. Step 8. Filter only active subscribers. This filter node keeps only subscribers marked as active. Step 9. Calculate today's cycle phase and reminder eligibility. This code node compares today's date with each subscriber's stored cycle milestones. Step 10. Prevent duplicate reminder sends. Inside the same phase calculation logic, the workflow checks the last sent reminder record. Step 11. Check if an email needs to be sent. This if node filters out skipped records and passes only valid reminder cases forward. Step 12. Build dynamic reminder email. This code node creates the actual reminder email based on the identified reminder type. Step 13. Send daily reminder email. This Gmail node sends the generated reminder email to the subscriber. Step 14. Update last email sent in subscriber record. This Google Sheets update node writes the latest reminder type into the subscribers row. Step 15. Log reminder email to send log. This Google Sheets append node adds the send details into the send log sheet. Step 16. Weekly Sunday 9 AM wellness trigger. This schedule trigger runs once every Sunday at 9 AM. Step 17. Read all subscribers for weekly digest. This node fetches all subscriber data again from the subscriber sheet. Step 18. Filter active subscribers for weekly digest. This filter node keeps only active subscribers in the weekly flow. Step 19. Calculate current phase and build AI prompt. This code node calculates each subscriber's current phase, cycle day, and days until next period. Step 20. Generate personalized wellness guidance with GPT-4o. This OpenAI node sends the prompt to GPT-4o and receives structured JSON output. Step 21. Parse AI output and build weekly wellness email. This code node parses the AI response and converts it into a styled HTML email. Step 22. Send and log weekly wellness digest. This final part sends the weekly digest email through Gmail and appends the send details to the send log sheet. This is how automation can turn personal health data into consistent, meaningful support. If you value intelligent, real-world systems like this, subscribe. I'll see you in the next build.